how to create data pipeline in the Fabric. Of method to create the data pipeline in the Fabric. There are 4 steps. In first step, you have to log on to the Fabric. Open the Fabric account. Log on with your Fabric account. Go to your workspaces. Select your desired workspace. Click New Item. Give the human appropriate name. Build a pipeline to organize and move your data. There are 3 ways you can move your data. First, the pipeline activity. You have to create the activity, and it is a no-code activity, so it is a drag down. It will be easy to assist or easy to create. The copy data assistant. This is the wizard. In this wizard, will ask you the question and set your source and destination tables. It as it is a wizard, so you do not need to panic over here. Practice with the sample data. It will load the sample data into your data warehouse or data lake, and this is just for practice, or you can use the template. So I can use the pipeline activity. What I'm doing, copy data. I'm using the copy data. My pipeline is here. Now this area is called canvas. When I click over here, you have to pull it at upside and give the proper name for your copy activity. Copy activity 1. Give the proper description if you want. Activate status. This pipeline, this activity is activated in this pipeline. I need to deactivate, or if I need to deactivate, I can do it from here. The number of retry, if something happened, if the table is busy, if the data table is locked, so how many number of time it will retry. In the advanced, you can see the interval time. The next run will be done after 30 seconds. The source bar. I need to select the source. You can select any source. If you want to load the data from the file and folder, you can select over here. If you want to load the data from the different databases, so you can create the just simple ODBC connection, OLEDB connection. There are a lot of connector available here.